Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of crowdfunding and exploring the top 10 gadgets that started their journey on Kickstarter and went viral, capturing the hearts and wallets of backers worldwide. Kickstarter has revolutionized the way we bring innovative ideas to life, empowering inventors and creators to pitch their genius gadgets directly to potential supporters. From virtual reality headsets to 3D printers and smart travel jackets, these campaigns not only exceeded their funding goals but also left an indelible mark on the tech landscape. So, get ready to be amazed as we count down the most successful Kickstarter gadgets that took the world by storm. Number 10. Oculus Rift, bringing you into the game. Kicking off our list is the Oculus Rift, one of the most renowned virtual reality headsets that arguably kickstarted the mainstream adoption of VR technology. The Oculus Rift campaign on Kickstarter raised an impressive $2.4 million, showcasing the immense potential and excitement surrounding this groundbreaking product. The Oculus Rift's success paved the way for Facebook's acquisition of the company, further propelling the development of virtual reality experiences into the mainstream. Today, the Oculus Rift remains a household name in the VR world, a testament to the power of crowdfunding in bringing innovative ideas to life. Number 9. The Micro 3D Printer, 3D printing for everyone. If you're a fan of 3D printing but have been deterred by the high costs, the Micro 3D Printer is here to change the game. Billed as the first truly consumer 3D printer, the Micro campaign raised a staggering $3.4 million on Kickstarter, surpassing its $50,000 goal by a landslide. With its user-friendly design and affordable price point, the Micro 3D printer made 3D printing accessible to a wider audience. Right out of the box, users could start printing their creations with ease, thanks to the printer's simplicity and compatibility with various filament spools and software options. Number 8. Amabrush, brushing your teeth in no time. Oral hygiene just got a lot quicker with the Amabrush, the automatic toothbrush that promised to clean your teeth in 10 seconds. This unusual gadget captured the attention of the online media and the masses alike, raising over $3 million on Kickstarter, despite having a modest $50,000 goal. The Amabrush features a bristled mouthpiece that vibrates rapidly, effectively cleaning your teeth in a fraction of the time compared to traditional brushing methods. While the concept may seem bizarre, the overwhelming success of its campaign proves that sometimes innovation lies in simplifying even the most mundane tasks. Number 7. Pimax, experiencing VR in incredible resolutions. Virtual reality enthusiasts, rejoice! Pimax aimed to bring the ultimate VR experience with their 8K VR headset, promising stunning resolutions and an affordable price tag. Their Kickstarter campaign was a resounding success, raising an astounding $4.2 million, far surpassing their $200,000 goal. Pimax's lightweight design and advanced features, such as motion sickness reduction, set it apart in the crowded VR market. As one of the first completed headsets to ship earlier this year, Pimax garnered mostly positive reviews, solidifying its position as a game-changer in the world of immersive virtual reality. Number 6. Pono Music, playing music as you've never heard it before. Music lovers, pay attention! Pono Music, created in collaboration with none other than legendary musician Neil Young, set out to revolutionize the way we experience audio. With a humble funding goal of $800,000, Pono Music raised a staggering $6 million on Kickstarter, marking a significant milestone for both crowdfunded tech and digital music development. Pono Music aimed to preserve the fidelity of studio recordings, offering a superior listening experience compared to traditional digital formats. The campaign's overwhelming success not only showcased the power of celebrity endorsement, but also highlighted the growing demand for high-quality audio experiences. Number 5. Ouya, paving the way for indie game consoles. Ouya was an ambitious project that sought to disrupt the gaming industry by creating an Android-based console catered specifically to indie game developers. With a funding goal of $1 million, Ouya raised an impressive $8.5 million on Kickstarter, paving the way for future independent console creators. While the subsequent success of the Ouya console itself is debatable, its campaign struck a chord with game developers who felt alienated by the mobile gaming market. Ouya's promise of freedom and accessibility for indie developers resonated with backers, solidifying its place in Kickstarter history as a trailblazer in the gaming world. Number 4. Pebble Smartwatch, crowdsourcing goes mainstream. Before the era of Apple Watches and Samsung gear, Pebble was one of the first consumer smartwatches to hit the market. Pebble's incredible Kickstarter journey not only saw it smash through its funding goals, but also led to its eventual acquisition by Fitbit. The Pebble 2 campaign alone raised over $12 million on Kickstarter, a testament to the smartwatch's popularity and the growing demand for wearable tech. Today, Pebble maintains a dedicated fan base, thanks to its sleek design and user-friendly features, solidifying its place in the annals of crowdfunding history. Number 3. Baubax Travel Jacket. Traveling just got better. Frequent travelers take note. The Baubax Travel Jacket is often hailed as the world's best travel jacket, and for good reason. This innovative piece of apparel is packed with features designed to make your journeys more comfortable and convenient, from a built-in phone charger and neck pillow to gloves and an eye mask. The Baubax campaign attracted a whopping 44,949 backers and raised over $9 million on Kickstarter, making it one of the most successful apparel projects ever to grace the platform. Whether you're embarking on a long-haul flight or a road trip, the Baubax Travel Jacket promises to be your ultimate travel companion. Number 2. The 3D Doodler, bringing 3D printing to the masses. 3D printing has emerged as one of the most exciting technologies of recent years, but the high costs associated with it have often been a barrier to entry for many enthusiasts. Enter the 3D Doodler, a revolutionary pen that brought the joy and creativity of 3D printing to the masses in a cost-effective and accessible way. The 3D Doodler campaign was a viral sensation, attracting over 26,000 backers and raising $2.3 million on Kickstarter. The pen extrudes heated plastic that quickly cools, allowing users to create intricate 3D sculptures and designs with ease. With the option to download stencils, the 3D Doodler opened up a world of possibilities for aspiring artists and makers. Number 1. Coolest Cooler, making the great outdoors greater. Drumroll please! The number 1 spot on our list goes to the Coolest Cooler, a game-changing product that redefined what it means to chill outdoors. This 21st century cooler is packed with features that make it the ultimate companion for beach days, picnics, and outdoor adventures. With a built-in blender for making smoothies and blended ice cocktails, a Bluetooth speaker, and a USB charger for smartphones, the Coolest Cooler raised a staggering $13 million on Kickstarter, cementing its place as one of the platform's most funded projects ever. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this cooler is the epitome of innovation, taking outdoor entertainment to new heights. From virtual reality headsets to 3D printers and smart travel jackets, these Kickstarter success stories have not only captured the imagination of backers, but have also pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of gadgets and technology. The power of crowdfunding has truly democratized the product development process, giving inventors and creators a platform to bring their innovative ideas to life. As we've seen, the potential for viral success on Kickstarter is limitless, and we can't wait to see what groundbreaking gadgets the future holds. That's it for our countdown of the top 10 Kickstarter gadgets that went viral. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also like and share this video, which helps us to pull off these kinds of videos for you.